Okay, so this option is called Trail. It has several different variations of it, which we'll take a look at right now. 2 starts by curling off of that double screen and triple screen, and 2 curls all the way around along the perimeter and evens out the floor. As soon as 2 has evened out that floor and is curling around, 1 can use that opportunity to dribble penetrate right into the key. 1 has tons of options here. They can dish to 3 and 4. They can dish the ball back to 2. They can take the ball right to the hoop, or they can pass it to the trail position 5 spot, who is filling that spot right behind them. Okay, for the shot. Now the next thing that can happen is 1 can continue. If the ball goes to 5, 1 can continue to roll and get the ball back for a shot from the arc, or the trail spot, the 5 spot, can put the ball to 2 and then cut directly down the middle for a shot themselves. So there's all kinds of options here. As 5 comes in again, they can put the ball back to 2, they can dish to 3 and 4. There's plenty of options out of here, and it's run very, very quickly.